What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're probably going to take off the oil pan, oil pump, and possibly the head. I'm not sure yet. Depends on how I'm feeling, because I still work outside of doing these videos, so we're gonna get her done. All right, so for those of you who don't know, it's got a lot of 10 millimeters around here, so you just take those off and the oil pan should just drop. It's already emptied, so if anything else comes out, oh well. Let's get to it. Oh, doesn't look too bad. But one of the things I like to do so that I don't lose any of the nuts is put them back on the threads. And that's what I'm gonna do. All right, oil pan's off. So now to take this off, you got 3 10 millimeters and 2 12 millimeters. And you got to disconnect the oil pickup tube. And then after that, it should slide right off. Basically, you just hit it with a mallet. Take some time, but I got it. Pull it off. And this definitely should have been replaced. OEM. But don't worry, we got another one, so I'm just gonna put this off to the side. When you go to put a new one on, which will be in a later video, you're gonna want to get a razor blade and make this all clean. And then the new one should come with a new O-ring, but we're gonna make sure that's clean too. It's actually a lot cleaner than I thought it would be. But all right, yeah, that's probably it. Because I gotta go pack for vacation. But if you guys liked this video and you found it helpful, hit the like button, subscribe. Tips and tricks are always welcome in the comment section. Let me know. And yeah, next video we're taking the head off for sure. I'll see you in the next one.